Hey, how's it going? Need help finding a new ride?
Hi, I'm looking for a car, something I can use to commute to work, but also for my family. We're four in total, so space is important.
Of course. Do you have a specific type in mind?
I'd prefer a sedan, but I'm open to other options if they fit what I need.
Got it. Let's take a look at some of the options we have. This one here is a 2018 sedan priced at $12,500. It's got great fuel efficiency, which is perfect for commuting. Plus, the boot has decent space for a family outing.
That sounds promising. How's the legroom in the back?
It's quite spacious, actually. It should comfortably fit two adults, or in your case, two kids and maybe some gear. Would that work for you?
Possibly, but I do a lot of weekend trips, so I might need something with more space.
In that case, let me show you this caravan. It's a bit older, 2016 model, but it's in great condition. It's got room for the whole family, and even more for luggage. It's priced at $9,800.
A caravan, huh? That could be practical, but I'm a bit concerned about fuel efficiency. How does it compare to the sedan?
The caravan will definitely use more fuel, especially for city driving. However, if you're doing longer trips or need the extra space regularly, it's a solid option. And it's much easier to load up compared to the sedan.
True. What about safety features? That's something my wife's quite particular about.
This sedan comes with front and side airbags, a backup camera, and lane assist. The caravan has similar features, though the tech might be slightly older.
I see. How's the maintenance cost on both?
The sedan is a newer model, so you won't need much maintenance for a while. The caravan, being older, might require a bit more attention, but nothing major if you keep up with regular service checks.
It's a tough call. The sedan is better for daily driving, but the caravan could be great for trips with the family. Any other cars that might be a middle ground?
I do have a couple of crossovers. Not as big as the caravan, but roomier than the sedan. One of them's the 2017 model, priced at $11,200. It combines fuel efficiency with some extra space for family use.
That sounds interesting. Can I take a look?
Absolutely. As you can see, it has a higher seating position, which some people prefer for visibility. It also has extra boot space compared to the sedan, but is easier on fuel than the caravan.
This could be a good compromise. I'll definitely have to think about it and discuss it with my wife.
No problem. We have some other options you might like as well. How about I show you a few more cars while you're here?
I'd love to, but I'm actually on my way somewhere and don't have much time right now.
Ah, I see. No worries, I understand.
Yeah, but I'll likely come back with my wife. How about we stop by this Saturday around noon? That way, we can take a closer look at everything together.
That sounds perfect. I'll make sure to have a few more cars ready for you both to check out.
Great. I'll see you then. Thanks for your help today.
My pleasure. See you on Saturday.